As a product designer, changing a design is never easy. But in this video, I want to take you behind the scenes to have a look at the way we evolved our active 2.3 pressure washer from this to this. The design process for the 2.3 was intense, both in terms of performance and aesthetics. Our mission? Push the limits of what we could do under a 15 amp power draw and make it look great too. We achieved a significant leap. The Active 2.3 now delivers 2.3 GPM at 1000 PSI of operating pressure. That's a huge upgrade from the Active 2.0. To get there, we re-engineered the pump, adjusting materials, seals, and even the wobble plate angles. Behind it all is a powerful induction motor, and we designed the outer shell to act as a heat sink, keeping the motor cool during long sessions of detailing use. But the biggest challenge? The form factor. We went through at least 8 iterations, from a hand carry unit to a full wall-mounted system. So what really made us reconsider the design? A few factors played a role in this. 1. Rising cost. This is quite the hefty unit, with a lot of steel and aluminum elements. 2. User insights. We saw that most of you tend to prefer a shelf-mounted 2.3 by ditching the cage completely. This made us feel that the extra costs were not worthwhile if it doesn't really address your needs. 3. Now this is a big one, the sound. The 2.3 cage is a contributing factor to the louder than usual sound you get with a pressure washer with this motor configuration. That's because the 2.3 sound is somewhat amplified by the hollow tubes connected to the unit. Once you remove it and add some padding, you have a quieter pressure washer. And even a few decibels can make quite a bit of difference. And finally, our product range is expanding too, coming soon with the wall mount. And if you want to go a cheaper route, you can locally source a steel or aluminum shelf by yourself as well. So the changes are quite apparent from first glance. We got rid of the cage, added this handle here, reworked these feet. So these are aluminum, this is aluminum, and then we've got rubber padding for both the feet and the handles. I think it turned out quite nice from an aesthetic point of view. And the major change is that this version of the 2.3 will be coming as a tool-only version, meaning that those standard level accessories that we used to sell with the 2.3, the gun, the hose, the foam cannon, no longer in the box. Given its pressure rating, we're now feasible to certify this as a tool-only model. The upgraded 2.3s and the hose reel wall mount are now en route to both the US and Canada. In the US, they'll be available starting in August. For Canada, we're doing an early launch on July 15th. If you're in the US, you can join our waitlist now. We're expecting some savings on retail pricing, especially in Canada. However, please note that pricing isn't final yet, as tariffs are still subject to change. So we're hopeful to have the products land when the tariffs are as low as possible. Either way, this batch is coming soon, along with the hose reel wall mounts. So, as always, stay tuned for more details, and once again, thank you for your support and your feedback, which really allows us, guides us to make great products that you need. Thanks. Take care.